Hi everybody, it's Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today's featured vehicle for sale is a 2022 Tesla Model S base. This comes in a blue exterior. And interior is a two-tone of white and black with wood grain accents throughout. Huge panoramic sunroof, basically stretching from the front of the vehicle to the rear. Go ahead and come around to the back of the vehicle, see the Tesla badging, and a power opening and closing trunk. Lots of storage space back here, and then you can easily fold down those seats if you like for a little extra storage. So you got controls in the back of the seat there, as well as right here to unlock those seats. So this vehicle does have an auto unlock feature as you approach. Or you can hit the remote and easily activate the retractable handles there and hop inside the vehicle. So again, you can see the wood grain and the two-tone finishes inside. Rear seats here. Another look there, you can just see the panoramic sunroof there. Rear climate control. And quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Well, here's the driver door controls. Push button there to actually open the door. Driver seat controls. Driver seat. And the Tesla styled steering wheel. Now let's go ahead and hop inside the vehicle. So one of the most unique features about the Tesla is everything is controlled with the touchscreen here. So by pushing my foot on the brake, I basically told the car that, hey, I want to go somewhere. So then if I want to actually put it into drive, we'll swipe that up here, and then I would then push the pedal to actually start driving. If I want to park, I just hit that button there to park. If I want to go in reverse, back that up, and then you can see the backup camera displays. And then I would go in reverse. Very, very unique. There is no physical shifter anywhere. It is all controlled through the touchscreen. It's also where you will find your climate controls for both front and rear. Heated, ventilated seats, all of that. Can control your music function here as well, in case you want to listen to the radio. Navigation. All controlled here on the touchscreen. Pretty cool. Below that, you'll have wireless charging for cellular devices, cup holders, center console storage, all kinds of fun stuff. If you're interested in learning more about this vehicle, if you want to see any photos or schedule a tour or a drive of this new Tesla Model S, just stop by our website, feldmannimports.com.